Want your subtitles to move, pop, and match your video's energy? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Filmora Dynamic Captions step by step. By the end, you'll be able to turn plain text into eye-catching animated captions that grab attention instantly. Before we begin, please visit the official Wondershare Filmora website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming Filmora Dynamic Caption tutorials. Step 1. Import your video. Start by opening Filmora and importing your video into the timeline. Make sure your video has audio and the dialogue is clear, since dynamic captions in Filmora will sync with it. Step 2. Generate Filmora Dynamic Caption. Now comes the magic. Go to the Titles menu at the top, then from the left menu choose AI Captions, and you will get an option for Dynamic Caption in Filmora. Click on it, and it will take you to the Dynamic Caption parameter settings. Then, under Choose File to Convert, you can select the whole timeline sequence or selected clip. Then select the transcription language for Filmora Dynamic Caption, or you can leave it on auto detection. Finally, please select the language in which you want your caption. For the same language as the video audio, keep it on No Translation. Then click on Generate Filmora Dynamic Caption, and after waiting a few seconds, you will see your captions appear automatically. Step 3. Dynamic Caption Templates in Filmora. Select the dynamic caption first, then from Settings you can choose the template for your Filmora Dynamic Caption. Filmora offers a wide range of dynamic caption templates. Select the template of your choice and it will be applied to the selected caption. To apply to all dynamic captions, click on Apply to All. Step 4. Edit Filmora Dynamic Caption. From Settings, click on Basic, and now you can add or edit the text of your dynamic caption. You can even select the text and make it emphasized or merged. Then with font selection, you can change the font and adjust the font size. Further, you can modify the active words, change their font, size, or color to highlight them. Similarly, you can modify the keywords. To apply the changes to all the Filmora Dynamic Captions, click on Apply to All. Step 5. Export with dynamic captions in Filmora. Once you're happy, click Export. Choose your format, quality, and destination. Your video now has stylish Filmora Dynamic Captions that instantly grab attention. And that's how easy it is to create dynamic captions in Filmora. Which caption style is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. And if you're into visual effects and tutorials, make sure to visit filmora.wondershare.com for more great content. See you in the next one.